The block diagram shown here is an electronic circuit breaker using IC ADALM 1000. Normally, this MOSFET is in on condition and drives the load. So the supply voltage is here. The current passes through the R sense and drives the MOSFET. Through MOSFET, it goes to the load. So normally this MOSFET will be in on condition. But whenever there is an excessive current, what happens is the voltage across R sense increases by Ohm's law. We know that V is equal to I into R. So this voltage drop increases. Since the potential difference between these 2 points is high, it drives the difference amplifier and thereby it drives the comparator. You can set the trip level by using a potential divider or a resistive network. You can set the trip level to the inverting input of the comparator. Non-inverting input, the output of difference amplifier is given to the non-inverting input of the comparator. So what happens is this will drive the latch, that is SR flip-flop, and this will goes into conduction and makes the MOSFET to switch off whenever there is a very high current flowing through the load. So this MOSFET will go into off condition whenever there is an excessive current. So the order of switch off is in the order of microseconds. So it is very fast to the normal circuit breakers. So this portion alone is within the IC ADALM 1000. So we can make use of this IC. Only thing what you have to connect externally is a sensing resistor, this MOSFET, and the load you have to connect, and the supply is given here. So this portion alone comes in the form of IC. So whenever there is an increase in current, the MOSFET goes into off conduction. So the MOSFET is driven by the latch. So in order to reset the SR flip-flop, what you can do is a control input is given outside the IC, which is the reset input. So thereby you can reset the output of this SR flip-flop. So it goes into the normal active mode and current starts flowing through the MOSFET and drives the load. So this is an example of electronic circuit breaker. As you see, all the components are electronic components. Hope you have understood this topic on electronic circuit breaker. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.